today we're going to be opening our third LOL Confetti Pop Surprise. And let's open the case.
So yeah, we opened 2 already. If you want to see who Sarah got in the first 2 balls, check in the description box below.
And I also tried on one of the touchy rings. It's pretty cool.
Very cute. Let's see. I like. So each ball comes with a ring, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh yeah, see? Ring. Okay, pick one.
That's what it is.
So Sarah got these for Christmas from her aunt.
Thank you.
In case you guys didn't watch the first 2. Oh, the dryer is beeping. Okay.
We got the stickers. And got a pink ball this time.
What? They're not all pink?
Yeah, they're different colors.
Are you sure?
Yeah, some can be gold, some can be light pink, and some can be like hot pink. And I'm not sure if there's any other colors.
What color are the first 2?
I forgot, but I remember one of them was light pink. Okay, here's our clues.
Blue. Muscle. Wait.
Pumping iron.
Pumping iron.
I might know who we got, I might not. Okay, we have to open that one last, since that has the ribbon, so I'm gonna take the sticker out of the way. And let's see what we got first. I think this is the outfit or an accessory. Oh, this one's big.
Yeah, this one's different. Isn't it usually like tissue paper?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, I know what he got. I know who he got.
Who? Who do we get?
He got like a circus one or something. Circus actress or something.
Keep on opening. Keep on opening.
Hey, this one has tissue paper though. We got
Sorry, I keep.
her outfit.
Oh, that's cute. That is very cute. I really like this one.
Next, we got
Oh yeah, it was light pink, the last one. Or one of the last ones.
her water bottle.
Tumbler. Oh, how come some of the confetti came out?
No, that was from the other ball.
Oh, that's from, oops, from the other ball.
And last but not least, we got the ball with the ribbon and another surprise. We got probably her shoes. Cute pom-pom shoes.
Okay.
Now it's time for the part we all have been waiting for. I'm scared. I want this to...
Sarah's gonna pull it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, not that way.
Okay, here we got the doll.
Oh, so cute.
Pretty sure she's color changed.
I mean, she's color changed.
Where's the... Oh.
I don't know where the sheets are. Oh, you just pulled her head off?
Yeah, it's possible.
Why don't you just get her dressed up?
So these are the 3 we got. We got Show Baby,
Whoops.
Funky Cutie, and Dusk.
Yay! That was fun. You know, look at it. She has a beauty mark. That's so cute.
When we got Dusk, I was screaming.
And she is what? No, she's a crybaby?
She's a spitter.
A spitter. So spitter, crybaby, and the pea one, right? Sorry.
Yes.
Spitter, crybaby, and she pees. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more.
Because there is more coming. How many more?
Wait 1 sec. 9? Yeah, 9.
Okay. We'll see you guys.
Bye.